Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Shareit and immediately look for the received or transfer history. This is where incoming photos appear. Once done, tap the folder icon or menu to reveal the file path so you know where images are stored. Make sure to grant storage permission when Android asks, because without it your gallery cannot read Shareit folders. You're doing this to let the system index files. Allowing access makes the next steps possible and prevents missing images later. You now select the photos inside Shareit or open a file manager and navigate to the Shareit/receive folder. Next, choose Move or Copy and target a system scan location like DSIM, Pictures, or Pictures/Camera because the gallery indexes those directories automatically. Once you paste files there, Android's media scanner detects the new images. If you prefer, use Cut to avoid duplicates. This changes file metadata and ensures the gallery shows the link. Finally, open your gallery and refresh. If images are missing, rebooting forces a media scan and usually fixes visibility. If that fails, go to Settings, Apps, Gallery, and clear cache to remove stale indexing data, then reopen the app. Make sure no media file exists in the folder you moved photos to, because that file tells Android not to show media. Delete it to restore visibility. If problems persist, repeat the move step using a different gallery scan folder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.